Good day everyone. Today we are excited to present our final project in networking. I am Riley Charla Gassetti and I am joined by my group mates Charles Kitaneg, CJ Manahan, Jordan Tantay and Emmanuel Carbunco. And we are all students from BSIT Data Analytics 2-1. We will guide you step by step on how to create straight-through cable, crossover cable, and how to share files between two computers using an Ethernet cable.
Materials needed: Ethernet cable, RJ45, crimping tool, cable cutter, and tester. Step 1. Prepare the cable. Take your Ethernet cable and use the cable cutter or stripper to strip away about 1.5 inches cm of the outer insulation from both ends of the cable. Be careful not to cut the inner wires. Arrange the wires according to the T568B standard, which is the most common wiring scheme for straight-through cables. Step 2. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector. The arrangement from left to right should be orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. Step 3. Crimp the connector. Once all the wires are inserted, place the connector into the crimping tool. Squeeze the crimping tool firmly to crimp the connector onto the wires. Step 4. Trim the wire. Use the cable cutter to trim the wires so they are all of uniform length. Step 6. Repeat for the other end. Follow the same steps to 5. Step 7. Test the cable. Plug one end of the cable into the tester and the other end into the corresponding port. The tester should indicate whether the cable is properly wired and functional. Now, creating a crossover cable involves a similar process to making a straight-through cable, but with a different wiring scheme. Step 1. Prepare the cable. Strip away about 1.5 inches of the outer insulation from both ends of the Ethernet cable. Step 2. Arrange the wires. Arrange the wires according to the T568A standard for one end and the T568B standard for the other end. This will create a crossover connection. Step 3. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector. T568 at one end, green, white, green, orange, white, blue, blue, white, orange, brown, white, brown. Step 4. Crimp the connector. Place the connector into the crimping tool. Squeeze the crimping tool firmly to crimp the connector onto the wires. Step 5. Trim the wires. Trim the wires to ensure they are all of uniform length. Step 6. Repeat for the other end. T568B other end, orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. Step 7. Test the cable. Plug one end of the cable into the tester and the other end into the corresponding port. The tester should indicate whether the cable is properly wired and functional. Now, this is the step-by-step on how to sharing files using an Ethernet cable. Step 1. Connect the computers. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port of the first computer. Then plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port of the second computer. Step to configure IP addresses. Press Windows key, then search for View Network Connections. Right-click on the Ethernet connection. Select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version for TCP IP v4. Select Use the following IP address. Computer 1 IP address 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask to 55.55.55.0. Default gateway 192.168.1.1. Click OK to apply the settings. Next press Windows key, then find Windows Defender Firewall. Select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Click OK to apply the settings. Next press Windows key, then find Network and Internet. Then select Advanced Network Settings. Select Advanced Sharing Settings. Select All Network, then turn off Password Protected Sharing. Go to PC2. Repeat all the step on PC2. Computer 2 IP address 19.168.1.2. Subnet mask to 55.55.55.0. Default gateway 19.168.1.1. After apply all the settings, create new folder. Select folder. Create sample file. Right-click the folder, select Properties. Select Sharing. Select Share. Select Everyone, then Add. Select Read Write on Everyone. Select Share. Select Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder. Select Permission, then check All. Select Apply and OK. Now, go back on PC1. Press Windows plus or keys, then enter 192.168.1.2. Select Networking. The sample file I create on PC2 is shared. Thanks for watching.